Hearing loss currently affects the lives of more than 30 million Americans. It is the third most common medical problem both in the United States and around the world. Surprisingly, most hearing loss is easily corrected with modern personal hearing devices. The Hearing Assessment Center, located in the Baltimore metro area, is at the forefront in the recommendation and implementation of high-tech solutions that provide connectivity to the world for those with hearing loss. The exceptional staff at the Hearing Assessment Center believes that quality healthcare starts with a good doctor-patient relationship and with personal and compassionate care. As doctors of audiology, the doctors at Hearing Assessment Center promise to give every patient the individualized attention they deserve and are on the cutting edge of the latest technology and medical advances available. To learn more about Hearing Assessment Center, call the number on your screen or visit hearingassessment.com.